Tēnā koutou katoa. This is my latest resource and it is 1.3 in the Māori curriculum. Communicate about numbers using days of the week, months and dates. So beginning with the days of the week, these are the Māori Language Commission ones, and there are also the loan words that are in this resource. Now the great thing about these is that they all mean something, the Māori Language Commission ones. So I've made some posters which go with those. Rahina is named after Mahina, the moon. This is a scaffolded resource, so it means that whether you're in year 1 or whether you're in year 6 or 7 or 8 or 9, there will be something that you can use, a starting point, and you can move right along to be able to say what the date is. A great thing about this, throughout the day, you can ask the question, ko te aha tēnei rā? What day is it? Ko te rahina. Ko te aha tēnei marama? Ko te hui tangaru. Ordinal numbers. This resource will help you go through that, starting with 1st to the 7th, because there are 7 days, and then moving on so that we can say up to the 31st of the date of the month. So that leads us to the next part, ahia tō rā whānau, when is your birthday? Here are some posters that will help the learners be able to say when their birthday is. And lastly, all of that information is in one of these mini books. The mini books can be coloured in and made. They're numbered 1 to 8. And all of these formulaic expressions are in here. All of the days, the months, and the how to say the ordinal numbers. And this is really great if you want to do a staff meeting, some staff PD, because it's very handy for all the staff to have, and it's also great for the older learners to have, and they can respond by making word searches or other activities, and this is all their reference in here. So this is a really awesome little puka puka. And that's it for this one, so thank you very much.